Today on Pure Octane Garage, MJJC Foam Cannon Shampoo.
Welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
We bring you detailing information
And other automotive goodness. I'm Ryan.
Brandon here, and today we've got courtesy of MJJC Foam Cannon Shampoo. They sent that our way in exchange for a review, so we're gonna check it out.
Yeah, it's specifically for foam cannons and foam guns.
And we like thick sudsy foam, so we have expectations here.
We definitely like the foam.
For a shampoo, it came in a box. Usually
Yeah.
it doesn't come in a box, so that's nice. Usually it's just the
You
bottle.
know, I guess that didn't click with me until you just said that.
I know, I was like, oh,
Yeah,
okay.
it's a box.
I like the first thing it says on here. It shall not be used on the human body. That's funny, guys.
Yeah.
But they're right.
Yeah, I would say for all automotive detailing products, keep them off the human body.
Yes.
It's just your
Now, we might be dumb
little
and
caution
do stupid things.
caution
But
there.
anyways, guys, it's a shampoo. There's not a lot to it. We're going to check it out.
Is there
smell
anything
it.
specific or?
So I was trying to look. It is. This
see
product is
anything?
a special cleanser for your foam guns in which a mild neutral formula is used to get extremely fine
Neutral.
foam and durable foam. And I know MJJC also makes foam cannons. The representative that reached out to us with this product, and they're trying to send a foam cannon our way, but they ran out of distribution. So we're going to do just the soap for now.
Refreshing aroma.
So they've got kind of
Oh,
some,
look, the word
bullets.
aroma.
Ooh.
I like that.
Does it say the smell? pH neutral. That's what we want to see.
It just says
though.
refreshing.
And I see some fruits on there.
And I
I'm
see
sorry,
some-
guys. It's hot in here. I got to wipe off. Sorry.
Yeah, pH neutral.
Contains crude palm oil. That's a new one.
I've never seen.
I wonder if
that.
that's going to be for lubricity. Let's open it. Let's smell it. Fresh? And I can't tell you what it smells like.
It's blue in color,
It smells kind of Windexy, if that makes sense.
but not as sharp.
But not as sharp,
But it's
yeah.
a smooth, sweet smell.
We'll see. You know what?
Here, you guys.
Yeah, you guys smell.
What do you think it is?
So we filled our foam cannon bottle here, a little over half with water. When I use soap, and I'm sure you're the same way, we're going to measure this today. I squirt soap into the thing, however I feel is enough.
Exactly.
And it's always worked for me forever. So that's how we're going to do it today for the most part. We just eyeballed, a little over half the thing of water.
The plug's back in.
This,
Sorry.
no, you're good. This soap is a little thinner.
It does smell good.
Yeah,
It's a
it
nice
does.
scent.
So we're going to put
A nice
one.
aroma. Beautiful. Very well done.
2.
Just don't put it on your body.
And we're going to go with 2 for now. Sometimes
Okay, we'll see. We'll see how that works.
I take that back. You know what? Let's do 3.
Whoa, you're
Why not? I'm
living on the
feeling-
edge.
I'm feeling
I'm
like
hearing the Aerosmith song in my
I'm
head.
feeling 3. That's 90 milliliters. Give it a little mix.
Oh yeah, you gotta mix it.
Give it a little shake. Easy to mix when it's thin formula like that. We'll throw it on the test hood, and then we're gonna put some also in our bucket and check the sudsing and see how long the suds hold.
Yeah, because that's a big thing with us.
Now this is a snow foam shampoo, so it doesn't talk a lot about using it in a bucket, but we're
Yeah,
gonna try.
I mean-
we multi-use our shampoos all the time,
Yeah.
bucket and foam cannon.
Exactly. So it may not be something that they're specifically mentioning here, but it's the way we would use it.
So, exactly. Let's go outside.
See you out there.
All right, guys, got the MJJC foam, snow foam shampoo here. We are gonna put some in the bucket. It doesn't actually have any instructions on that, but that's how we use it. So we're just gonna eyeball it. That should be enough.
And again.
It's a thinner foam.
Oh yeah, so it's definitely more of, not really for bucket, but they didn't say that,
yeah,
to be
and I
fair.
didn't know how much to use, so we're just kind of trying it. Doesn't hurt to
I just
try
wanted to see we want to see how that holds up.
it. Yeah. We're gonna use our foam cannon.
Check out how dirty that hood is.
Now, their instructions do say to rinse it off first. Rinse your dust and dirt off, which we normally do. We're gonna throw the foam right on there. So, reason we left that dirty, Ryan, in my eyes, I want to see if this soap can pull off some of that dirt.
Yeah, again,
They recommend rinsing,
we normally do, so that's not on them.
but I do see it pulling some of the dirt off as it slides down, because this whole thing was dirty. Oh, there we go. Nice foam suds on there.
How's that feel? How's the lubricity?
a little, not quite as much as I felt in other soaps. Let me, you know what, let's do a small patch. Oh no, it's good.
Yeah, let's go ahead and rinse and just see kind of what.
I'm gonna rinse it with the soft pressure here without blasting any off. I think it did a pretty good job pulling that dust. There's a lot of dust on there. You could use less soap than I used in that foam can and still get really good results.
It's holding up in the bucket too. So yeah, what'd you think, Brandon?
I think the MJJC foam held up really well. It did what it said it was going to do. It provided thick, sudsy foam right out of the foam cannon, and even in our bucket test.
Yeah.
It did a great job. It held the suds like you want to see, right?
Yeah.
Little less lubricity than I'm used to from the soaps that I use.
Yeah, the foam was, I want to say, lighter, not as dense as some others, but it definitely did what it said it was going to do.
And it cleaned. It did a good job. So hats off. Great stuff. Thank you, MJJC, for sending that foam shampoo our way. And
I'd use it.
We always love foaming.
Yeah.
You can't go wrong. Oh, I am sweaty. I'm sorry, guys.
It's a warm one out there today,
Wow.
ain't it, Brandon?
Welcome to the desert. Okay. We appreciate you guys. Thanks for checking this video out. Till the next one, please like, subscribe, ring the notification bell. Check out the merch description and the link below. I got it all out fast because I don't want to bore you guys.
And thank you, thank you, thank you. We appreciate each and every one of you.
That's right. Thank you, everybody.
See you in the next one.
Talk to you later.
Bye.